you haven't figured it out, you're just in a whole heap lot of trouble now. That's right, your conductor went down there to see about the Yankees and left you guys up here with me. Now I'm Alfie J. Bolin, I'm notorious train robber. Oh, by the way, the J stands for Keith. What's going on here today is my little brother Robbie, who's up there in jail in town and I need bail money. So, you guys are going to help me raise it right here and right now. Because what we've got here today is a stick up. Am I going too fast for you folks? A stick up. If you don't like that one, you ain't going to like any of them because that was the best joke of the show. Now, folks, what we actually got here is a train robbery. Now I need everybody, and I mean everybody, get your hands up in the air and act real scared.
Oh no!
I'm in front. Wow. Now how this is going to work? I'm going to start right back here in these Jeep seats back here at the back. I'm going to work my way up to you high rolls up front there. And I want your gold, your silver, your copper, and your dollars. You know that Yankee folding money you guys carry. So, let me get my mask up here because I don't want nobody knowing who I am. Well, high rollers, I'll be up there in a minute. I got to start back here with these cheap seats. I know some of you guys got something. That's why you're sitting back here, right? Save that money. Gold, silver? Gold, silver? No? Nothing? Gold, silver? Oh, wow. Gold, silver? Gold, silver, copper?
I didn't see him was taking women too.
Do I get the shirt or get the pin up? Gold, silver, lunch money.
Lunch money.
At least I'm eating.
You should give her that. You should give him coffee.
Wow. Why not? Gold, silver? Okay. No? Gold, silver? You can keep the cup. Thank you. Oh boy, gum. Thanks, guys. Gold, silver. Gold, silver. You might want to hide those. You never know. Well, thank you. I think I'm in trouble, aren't I? How's it going, Bolin? Oh, fine, fine.
You get yourself some gold and silver, did you?
Yeah, see?
I'm jealous of those. I'll tell you what, I got something for you. How about some lead?
Oh, no, I don't need no lead.
Why don't you need no lead?
Because I run better unleaded.
I don't think either of us run very well today. All right, Bolin. You and your gold and silver chocolates, get over here.
What?
You and I have something to talk about, sir.
Oh, yeah? What's that?
I went down these tracks. There were no Yankees up there.
No.
No Yankees. You lied to me. Then I came back here, caught you robbing this train and robbing chocolate from children.
No, actually, a lady back here gave me the chocolate.
Oh, now you're admitting to it, are you? I think that you need to apologize, sir.
I'm sorry.
Don't tell me you're sorry. Tell these folks you're sorry.
Say what?
Say you're sorry, Bolin.
Sure.
Say you're sorry.
I'm sorry.
kind of did. Let's talk about backfiring. I'm so angry at him for missing his line right there. I think I'm gonna walk down these stairs, count 3, and
You know
shoot.
what? You're kind of sorry.
1. Oh,
I guess
I'm
maybe
doing
I'll
good
run.
today.
1,
2.
1.
2. All right, this bowling just isn't getting us anywhere. Is that gonna be your hiding spot?
Well, what part's that? Well, it doesn't sound like it matters. He doesn't have any bullets.
Yeah, I can see you.
Where? Oh! He shot me in the aha. Oh, that's smart.
The only smarts he'll ever have.
Pain goes away. Ooh, man, that was.
All right, folks, let's give a big hand to Alfie J. Bolin. That man's been out here robbing trains all day. He's got no dollars and no cents. No sense at all.
Thanks a lot, folks.
Now I know who you got the chocolate from. All right, folks, we're having a good time. Let me hear you say yeehaw.
Yeah!
Folks, if you'd like to keep the good times rolling after today, let me tell you about a program they have going on. While you're here at the park, you'd like to trade in your single-day ticket, you can do so and for $2 more, get yourself a season pass. Come back in, visit us many times throughout the year as you would like. Come back, ride all, ride and outlaw, run, time travel, all right. Hey, come back to Rest Team Train again. Your buddy Gary Dean will get it. Now, folks, I do have to point out something that has been disturbing me for a while. When we left the station, the Outlaw Run was on our right side. Now it's on our left side. It's terrifying. It is also steep. Folks, you're going to see that barrel roll they put us through. It's a double barrel roll.
What's the speed? 60?
Well, ladies and gentlemen, we are coming to a close. I would like to remind everyone to keep your arms inside the train at all times. Hey, let's have a screaming contest. Everybody up there in car one. Scream! 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 Car 3, scream! Car 4, scream! I bet it's good. They're coming up the Outlaw Run. It might be the last wave. Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to come to a stop for just a moment up ahead. We are going to trade out our engineer. Old Ichabod's got to get off the train. We're going to get Ichabod version 2.0 on board this train for y'all. Everyone just remain seated for a moment. Here you get a perfect view of all those folks standing in line right there at the loading gate for Outlaw Run. You might get to see a train come back right here, folks. If you see any empty
No
seats,
way.
it's definitely during that double barrel roll. We tend to lose 2 or 3 per run, especially the little ones. They slip right out of those restraints. It's the dark shame of Silver Dollar City. Yep. Particularly youngsters wearing silver jackets. All right, folks, everybody stay still. We're going to jerk and roll just a little bit as we get rolling again here. Hey, off to our left, if I'm not mistaken, is going to be Engineer Cordell. Engineer Cordell is responsible for maintaining and operating our train. He'll be waving at us. They're going to say, bye, Engineer Cordell. Ah, Cordell. That's the roundhouse over there, folks, that red building. That's where our engineers live, maintain our train. You'll notice that our roundhouse is square, because we don't cut corners and stuff out of it. Yeah, on your right there is the rest of the Mississippi Falls. Pretty impressive. off. Hey, cars 1, 2, and 3. Once you guys give those people a howdy as you pass through. Go ahead, car 1, give them a howdy. Car 2, you give them a howdy. Car 3, yell howdy. Car 4, yell hey, hey, hey. Woo-hoo. Hey, hey, hey. Now, those folks are out the train later. They'll be all up to speed on hey, hey, hey. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are pulling into the station. I'm going to need everyone to remain seated until I give you the all clear to exit. We're going to come to a slow stop. I should tell you, these 100-year-old steam engines are very reliable, but they do have a tendency to jerk forward and roll back a bit before they come to a complete stop. So everyone just stay seated. Stay right where you are. I'll give you the all clear. Just wait for another moment. Stay there, folks. There you go. You may now exit the train to your left. Watch your step, watch your head, and if you don't watch your head, watch your mouth. It's a family bar. Thank you very much, Frisco Silver Dollar Line. Enjoy the rest of your day. Dollar City.
This is a nice experience.
Use the restroom real quick.
Are you sure?
Oh, we have to get our wagon.
Oh yeah. I like it. Just like that, but then I don't like to ride a roller coaster. I'm afraid. I'm afraid for the roller coaster.
Hey. Are you serious?
What? What the love?
There's 2 guys.
5 minutes. Wait.
Here.